Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I bring to us this survey site that is currently paying just by completing simple tasks, or you answer simple question and earn reward, which you can withdraw once you have the minimum of $3. Yes, and the payment is automatic, right? Once you have submitted the correct wallet address needed, then when you have $3, they are going to send you your money. Okay, so as you can see right here, the name of this survey site is called TimeBucks, right? So what is TimeBucks? It is a survey site. There are online questionnaires that allow users to complete simple tasks, complete offer, play games, and earn rewards. So I'm going to be explaining step by step on how you earn here. So stay with me and watch this video from beginning to end without you skipping any part, so that you understand how this particular survey site works and also how you can earn reward to cash, right? So the first thing you have to do is to sign up using your Google or your email. So I'll be leaving the link in the comment section. If you want to try it out, when you click the link, they will ask you to choose either Google or email to sign up. So that is the first thing you have to do. After signing up, the second thing you will do is for you to complete your profile by putting your age, your country, your interest and occupation. So that is your profile. You complete it and save it, right? So after completing your profile, the next thing you are going to do is TimeBucks will now match you with the survey provider, okay, looking for your particular demographics. So what you do is now you start taking survey, and you take task, offer and game, anyone you like, you pick them and start doing it to earn. Okay, and when you are taking survey, I just want to say this: when you are taking survey, make sure that you are honestly, so that they will qualify with that particular survey and you are going to receive the point. Okay, but if you don't target the particular audience they are looking for, they might screen you out and give you another survey for you to complete. So either you play game to earn, or survey, or tasks, or offer. So anyone you like, you participate and earn and withdraw once you have the minimum of $3, which is automatic, as I said. So now I'm going to walk you guys through on how you are going to fill in your profile before you start taking survey. After signing up, this is the second thing you are going to do, which is to complete your profile, which I mentioned. So you click this place now. When you click on it, you scroll and click on settings here. Okay, I would like you to watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any part, so that you understand how this particular survey site works. So when you come here now, this is the first name here, right? And this is the second name. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I already have accounts. I just registered this one for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, I'm not going to use this particular account because I'm not going to use my real details here, because I already have accounts. Even if I use my real details, they are not going to verify it again because I already verified mine using my NIN. So this is what we are going to do now. This is what we are going to do. This place now, you are seeing first name. You go and check your ID. If you are using NIN, that first name that is there, if you have two name and surname, that means you have three name, right? Then your first name should be here. You put your first name here. Then this last name should be your surname. Do you understand? You now put your surname here. After that, you now put your month. Okay, so let me just choose this. I'm not using this particular account. Let me just choose this name and choose this name. Okay, so after that, I make sure that the name you are putting match exactly as it is on your ID. Okay, if it's capital letter, everything you put capital letter. Okay, so the next thing is you choose your month and the date. Okay, so let me pick the date, and the year is what you choose your year. Okay, So let me choose. I choose this one. Then this one is gender. If you are male, you choose male. If you are female, you choose female. Then you choose your postcode. You input your postcode here. So I'm going to input my postcode now. Okay. After that, you choose your country. If you are from New York or United States or United Kingdom or Nigerian, you find your country here and put it. So I'm Nigerian, so I'm going to leave it at Nigerian. Then this one is state. You also find your state here and pick it. Then the next thing you are going to do is to cross check if your information is correct. If it is, then you click on update. When you click on update, they are still going to ask you that, are you sure this information is correct, or do you want to edit it? Then if you are sure, you click on confirm. Okay. So when you click on confirm, as you can see, my profile has been updated successful. Okay. So this is the second thing you are going to do now. We are going to verify your account. This place you are seeing profile picture. After verifying your account, the next thing you have to do is you verify your account. Click on payment. When you click on payment here, you click on payment method. If you have ATM account, you provide your ATM email address and submit it here. When you submit it here, you click on update payment. But if you don't have, you find the one you have. Like me, I use Solana to verify mine. So when you click on it, they will now ask you to verify your ID. Now this is how you are going to verify it. You click on verify your ID. This place now. So after clicking on verify your ID, then they will take you to a place where you will verify your account. They will scan your face and also ask you to submit your ID, which is your name. After submitting it, then you will now wait. Don't just come out immediately. Just wait for a second. They are going to redirect you back by themselves. They will redirect you back here, and this place you are seeing profile picture will now be showing ID verified. Once it is showing ID verified, that means your account is successful verified. Then the next thing you have to do is what? You now go to your either your Binance or your Bybit, anyone you have. You copy the Solana wallet address. If it is another address you choose, just make sure that you copy that particular wallet address. Okay, when you now copy it, assuming like me, if I want to verify this particular account, like I said, I cannot verify this using one particular ID. So I've already have account. So I will now go to my Binance or Bybit or Bitget and copy Solana wallet address. When I copy it, I will now come here and paste it. So when you paste it, you will save it. Okay, why my own is showing start ID verification is because I never verified this particular account and I cannot verify it using one ID. Okay, so when you now verify your account successful, you now come here and go and copy your wallet address, paste it here and click on save. Once you save it successful, then the next thing is for you to start completing survey. When you click on games, you complete games. When you click on surveys, we are going to complete surveys and endpoint. Okay, so this one now is showing us to complete this one that is 0.10 cents to earn in 6 minutes. So 0.10 cents in 16 minutes. When you click on it, you complete it. After completing it successful, they are going to provide for you many survey for you to complete. And again, before you come down here, make sure that you complete this first survey here that is showing 3 minutes for you to get $1.83, right? You click on start. When you click on start, you complete the survey for 3 minutes and earn the point. Then you now click this place that is survey. It will now bring you down here. Then you complete this first survey that is showing right here. After completing it, they will now provide for you many surveys for you to complete, and they will show you people that have completed some survey in some minutes. Okay, so that is how you earn from this particular survey. So this one is task. When you click on task here, when you click on it, you scroll. when you scroll, they are going to show you. Let's just allow it to load. So when you scroll now, they are going to show you what to do. This one is in 16 minutes. They will credit this particular task in 2 minutes. So after completing it, they will credit you this 0.2 cents in just 2 days. So all you have to do is to follow instruction. When you click on view, they are now ask you either to watch some ads and screenshot it. They will ask you, you will do that. Just follow the instruction and you are going to earn all these points here. Okay, that is how you are going to be earning. Once you have the minimum of $3, your rewards will be sent just automatic, right? This is where you complete many tasks and earn. And also this one is offer. When you click on offer, okay, when you click on offer, it is also survey partner where you can answer survey. This one is prime m. When you click on prime m, you are going to take survey, including this one. All this thing is survey partner. When you click on it, you are going to earn points. They will redirect you to their site. You complete the survey and the earnings or points will be credited to you this place. When you have $3, they will send your money automatic. So guys, that is how to earn from this particular TimeBucks survey site. If you have watched to this point, please kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, I think I've explained everything you have to know from this particular survey site. Okay, so for those saying Nigerian cannot participate, I'm telling you, you can participate. It is worldwide. All you have to do is, if you are signing up as a Nigerian, make sure that you use your NIN to verify your account. If you are signing up as United States or US, make sure you have their particular ID to verify your account. Okay, so earnings depends on you. If you take it very serious and consistency, you are going to earn a lot from this particular survey site. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, I am Treasure. What I share on this my channel is all about how to make money online using your smartphone, just with your internet connection, with no investment required. So if you are the type that like earning online, or you like or found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop new updates or videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and start earning from it immediately. Okay, and again, I'm going to be leaving my Telegram link in the comment section so that you can join us there and also find how to make money online daily from that community. Okay, so guys, I think this will be the end of today's video. See you guys in my next one.